JK Entertainment presents Samoa Vibes with Spawn Breezy. Featuring J Strings, Jaro Loco, Swiss, Stanley T, Poetic, Bass 685, Punyalaba, Tofanga, and DJ Dave. Join us at the Multipurpose Gym, Tuanaimato, 1st of February, 2025. General admission tickets, VIP, and corporate table tickets are available at Joe's Gym and Radio Polynesia. For more information, 727-5175. Samoa Vibes. Let's go!
Your music is so easy to listen to that we can't get enough of it.
Oh. yeah, it's like we just, it's the island vibes, that gets to everyone. Sometimes I'm quite amazed how the crowd don't understand the words, but they just sing to it.
They just sing, but they don't understand the meaning
the
of
meaning.
a song. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, talking about meanings of a song, what does wani e mean?
One is a phrase in my language for like when you say. So we use it for a lot of things, like when you're heartbroken or you're surprised or like, hey, one year. Yeah, that's how we use it, yeah.
This whole time I'm thinking you're singing to a girl.
Well, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many girls? Sorry. Am I still on there? I'm sorry. I'll just be quiet.
So,
Yeah.
how did you get into music?
My dad was in music. His name is Shazi. And yeah, just got the inspiration from there, from my dad. And I grew up having all the music instruments around the house and seeing, I think I grew up in music, I should say. So I couldn't walk out of it too.
Yeah, that's exactly like Poetic. That's almost exactly like Josh Tatofi too. Because his dad was part of that group.
Is it Kapena?
Kapena, yeah.
Yeah.
His dad was the bass player for Kapena.
Yeah.
And how long have you been, when you first put out what was your first song that you put out?
So I was used to be in a band called Design. Yeah, it was all us first cousin brothers. So we started recording, like doing home recording stuff in 2009. So I think started jumping on the recording mic back in 2009. Yeah.
And from there, what made you decide to go on your own?
Also, I moved out when I had my family, my new family. So I moved.
You mean a new wife?
Yeah, something like that. Poetic.
I didn't read the bio. Yeah. But I'm here for it, man.
Yeah. So I moved out, and then I was closer to another studio, so started doing my own thing. Yeah.
Do you still reside, or do you still live in the Solomon Islands?
Of course.
Yeah. What's the name of the capital?
Honiara.
Honihara.
Yeah.
And you live in the capital?
Yeah.
Oh. And lately you've been performing in New Zealand.
Oh yeah, we just did.
How did you connect with the New Zealand crew?
Oh, man, that's another book, eh? All thanks to Ronnie.
Ronnie, okay,
the brother there. He made it all happen. I think I'd say it was meant to be, eh?
100%.
How many years?
100%.
How many years ago was this? When you first met Ronnie and Ronnie introduced you to?
Ronnie, was it 2017, 18?
Yeah, 2017.
Yeah.
2017.
Came over for the Pacific Music Awards.
Okay.
And then...
Was he one of the nominees?
Nominated for International Artist of the Year and won it. In the Pacific Music Awards, New Zealand.
I'm
International
not surprised.
Artist of the Year, that's right.
Yeah, he won. Yeah, won it. And then from there I got... from there we got a phone call for him to join One Love, and he performed at One Love for the very first time, and then the rest is kind of history from there. But he's toured all over Australia, done his own tours through Australia, own tours through New Zealand, own tours through. He's done basically all the all the islands, but this is his first time in Samoa.
Yeah, I
Very
know.
first
This is
time.
the first time.
We've been asked to come to Samoa for a very, very long time, and we just waited for the right opportunity. Yeah.
So, when you first went to One Love, was it as big as you imagined it to be?
Oh. Well, Spawn asked me to do a verse for...
Spawn Breezy?
Yeah, Spawn Breezy. For the song One Love, and I didn't know the verse at the time, so I got like 30 minutes to learn the second verse outside. So I was
What song was this?
The One Love for Bob Marley. For Bob
Oh,
Marley,
One
so
Love.
One Love, yeah. So me and the other also, Lion Rez was on the first verse and I was on the second, but I didn't know the second verse, so I was outside listening to it for the whole time. Yeah, 6 seconds walking up on the stage, and then I saw the crowd and I forgot the verse.
Was this weekend just gone?
Nah, the first one.
The first one.
Yeah.
That happened to me there last year.
Truly.
I forgot all my lyrics, and then the microphone comes to me on stage in front of what, 50,000 people? 35,000? 50 sounds better. And then I'm like, oh Lord Jesus, just please have my back. And when I went to go rap, they cut all the sounds and go, you guys went over, you're off stage. And I was like, thank you God. Totally.
So you didn't perform?
Our team was performing, and my verse was coming up, and then they cut it right when I grabbed the mic.
Oh, because you forgot your lyrics.
No, they cut it because they just said, we're going to cut you short. And I was like, I just prayed that, something would save me, because I was about to do some freestyle. Last time I freestyled over here, I said a few things that I'm not supposed to say on stage. Because, when you freestyle, you can go anywhere.
Yeah.
And, anyway, that's my story. Back to you there,
back to
Mr.
you,
Solomon
Jaro.
Islands.
I like the way how you threw it to him. So, you forgot your lyrics, and then how did you do it?
Oh, I did the same thing Poetic did. I was like, Lord, you brought me here. If it's meant, just give me something. And then I remember first word for the verse, and then kind of everything falls into place. Yeah.
Ah, so
I did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And everything went smoothly after that.
Yeah.
Have you heard about Samoa before? What was the first? When somebody says Samoa, what do you picture?
Beautiful. Just the word beautiful. Yeah. Because where I'm from, like if you have Samoan, you're beautiful. Like for a girl or a boy, I mean, especially for a girl, yeah. So now that I'm here, it's paradise now.
Yeah?
Not beautiful, yeah.
Where are you staying? You and the boys?
Poetic?
In a secret location.
Oh,
disclosed. Yeah. I was staying in town.
Okay.
Yeah. In Alafua.
And okay, so you guys scheduled for today is just basically just hang around?
Yeah, we're doing a giveaway today. So we're on our social media pages, Jaro Local and I, we're just posting where we're going to be at lunch. So at 1 p.m., if you find out where we are at lunchtime and come to us and buy your tickets off of us, you'll buy one, get one free is the deal. So if you buy 2 VIPs, you'll get 4. You get 2 for free.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? So,
And where you guys going to be at?
oh, that's the surprise. Really? So we're gonna post it at 12:30 where we are, and all those people that come there by 1:30, where we're eating lunch, which is soon, you get the deal. Buy one, get one free.
Get one free. How about if it's a GA ticket?
Then you get a free
Same.
GA ticket. Yeah,
Okay, same.
of the same caliber. But if you buy a corporate table, yeah, you just got to buy the corporate table. You don't get a second one for free. Sorry, guys. I'll give you a T-shirt.
No, yeah, it's corporate. So, how many songs are you going to be performing on the night, Jaro?
I got asked a lot about that. Let's make it a 45-minute
Set 45 minutes.
Absolutely.
absolutely start.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 45. So 45.
That's long. So 45 for you, 45 for Poetic.
I'm just doing 5 minutes, and I'm going first, guys.
It's not that long if you're enjoying it.
Yeah, no. But I'm thinking about how many artists are there because there's Stanley
yeah.
T. Who else is there going to be performing on that night?
Yeah, we got
Saturday?
Swiss, we got Punyalavato,
Yeah.
Fanga Meke, we got, who else do we have?
DJ Dave, Bass
Yeah.
685. And then of
Jaro, sorry, Jay Strings is part of the American team too, so he's got his own set within the Spawn camp.
Oh, I cut it down to 30 then.
Nah, man, you're the other main event.
That's
You
right.
didn't come all this way not to have a major set, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, go ahead.
The earlier acts will be doing shorter sets, and then as we get through the night, the set times will increase.
On the pre okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
beautiful. You need to be on stage a lot more.
Oh yeah. I should be a backup dancer for Poetic.
Have you guys done any collaboration? Because I've seen a song. There's a song with you and Stanley T.
Yes, we've both done collabs with Stanley.
Yeah.
We're all the same team, but him and I, we're going to get to it maybe this week,
Yeah.
Star, it's coming down.
It's on the way, but probably today.
Yeah.
That'd be a good song.
Yeah.
You guys would do a good mix, which is sort of smooth vocals and a smooth rapper.
Oh, yo.
There you go.
See, Star?
And
The
my
island,
favorite
the
part
islands.
about the Poetics rapping is that every now and then you'll throw in a Samoan word.
Yeah, Samoan Mexican.
We need Jaro to do a Samoan song, yeah?
Yeah, that'll be good, man. Can you sing one of my dad's old songs?
Oh,
Need to get you to do
definitely,
some
Star.
covers, bro.
I heard some good ones already. Yeah, that I like.
Well, there
Your
you go.
dad stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're beautiful.
yeah. Take it back.
I wish the recordings were better back in the day, huh?
I'm sure there's a way that you can remaster, but yeah, it's complicated.
Yeah.
I'm going through that process now. So
I met him somewhere, and then he says to me, I said, he said hi and all this, and then he said hi, and then he said, and I said, Poetic was just in town. He goes, yeah, he owns all my music now.
hey, how'd that get out the bag? Yeah, something like that. I was like, Dad, what do you want to do with your music? Oh yeah, you have it. I was like, okay, thanks, Dad. I love
Thank
you.
you.
I love you, Dad. Thank you.
We got a few of his songs across on Star 96. Okay, so you guys had just finished One Love in New Zealand?
Yeah.
And it was amazing.
Yeah.
I didn't make it.
Oh,
Yeah, I
Star,
was stuck
sorry,
at the
Star.
shop, but the rest of our team went down and ripped the stage up. Yeah, who did you meet down there, Jaro?
Oh. I get to get a photo with Maoli.
Maoli. Did you meet Lazy Bone from Bone Thugs and Harmony?
I saw him walk past just like, 6 inches.
6 inches. 6 inches away. Oh yeah, like very close to you. Okay,
Very
I got
close.
it. I got it, man. Yes.
That's
So who
how
else
I-
did you meet at One Love?
Oh,
Josh Tofi.
Nah. Got, of course, Spawn, Boog, J Boog, yeah. And, man, the family just got bigger and bigger every time we start.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we kind of met with everyone. Swiss was there,
Uncle
the whole
Fiji.
lot. Oh, yeah, Uncle Podgy.
He was there, yeah?
Yeah.
He's okay now. But I heard he wasn't too well, huh?
Oh, he's still singing.
My,
Still
voice is
all the
good,
way. Yeah.
True.
Were you in the Fiji concert in Fiji?
Yeah, for the homecoming.
Yeah,
last year.
homecoming.
Yeah. So,
Because Spawn Breezy was there too. But
Nah.
Wayno was there, huh?
No, Wayno wasn't there either.
yeah,
Nah.
it was the Sequita brothers who did the BVs for Fiji. Yeah. But Wayno was doing the BVs for this One Love for Spawn. Yeah.
Okay. So on your music, is the band going to back you up, or do you have backing tracks?
For now, I have backing tracks. But yeah, normally I have my boys back home who usually
Yeah.
play the music and do, yeah.
Is there a band coming in for this?
For Spawn.
Spawn
Yeah.
Breezy's band, which is what, 3 houses down, or is it?
No,
Who's the
that
band?
is Waters band from America.
Oh, they're from America.
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
They're pretty
straight from the
on.
States.
All right,
Yeah,
that's good.
it's a good band.
So Saturday, 6 p.m., and that's the day of the concert.
This Saturday, 6 p.m. I think we're gonna be on time. Right when the doors open, we're rolling.
Yeah, you
'Cause we
gotta
got
be
a
on
big
time.
lineup. And
Yeah.
so if you guys are coming and you want to see the performers, try to get there early. Don't get there late.
Yeah.
If you can, be on time because we're gonna stick to the script and then we're gonna be out of there by the time it's time to go home.
Yeah,
You know,
'cause
it's Sunday tomorrow.
Pretend
Two-
the doors open at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Too many times they say starts at 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
And the thing doesn't start till 8 o'clock or something, and then it pushes everything back, right?
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
No,
we
and-
want to
and-
allow a good amount of time for everybody, every act to enjoy the stage and the vibe and the people to see. And yeah, you guys are paying for your tickets, so come get your money worth.
Okay, and the number to get your VIP tables, 727-5175. 727-5175. Okay. And you guys have a welcoming ceremony happening at STA?
I believe so. Yes.
Yeah, I think 3 o'clock is the welcoming ceremony as well as the press conference.
Yeah.
I just had some sort of, what you call